Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration. Following that, tap on Vibrate Vocals right away and set up the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, always vibrate. When you're ready, go back. Now click on this switcher next to Notification Vibration to switch off or on Haptic Feedback for your notifications and scroll all the way down. Then you need to click on this one next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to manage it. Click on that one next to Vibrates when the other party answers or hangs up. And lastly, manage Touch Vibration by clicking on this switcher next to it. This way you will switch on or off Haptic Feedback for tap, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!